Hello, I am Asim Nawaz from BudgetSports.com. This is C Sharp Rules for Business series, and today is the sixth video of this series. This video is about the if statement in C Sharp programming. So we will look into how to use if statements in C Sharp and how they work in programming. To explain it and to get some concepts about how a statement works, and we will need a project, a Visual Studio to demonstrate its working. So go to Start menu, Visual Studio. It is opening. While it is opening, let me show you something. What is if statement? If statement is a selection statement. It direct control flows. It means that it controls the flow of the program. It means that you can jump from one part to another part using if statement. It acts as just as conditional blocks of code that you need. For example, you can use a number to compare something and generate random things, and you want to test some things. So let's start the project. If statement. We are making a Visual C# Windows application. It's taking some time. For the demonstration of each statement, we will need text box, simple text box. Go to toolbox. The toolbox is not appearing here. Go to view and open toolbox and get a text box. This is text box simple. You can drag it, and the other control you will require is a button. Go to and button. So here is the button, and let's see the name of the button because we will be accessing the button and also the text box. So go to right click properties, and the name of the button is button 1, and let me change the text. Click. Okay, and this is the text box. Let me see the name of its text box. It's text box 1. Simple. So what I will be doing is I will be checking the text in this text box. I will be checking for a particular string in this text box. If it matches my words, then a message box will be shown. For example, if I type my name Asim in this text box, and then I check through if statement that whether the string is Asim or something else. If the string is Asim, my message box will be displayed. To perform the section, we will be executing putting some code in the click event. And here is the click event part. So what I need to is to check the string in the text box. For that I will type the name of text box 1 dot text. It should be equal to Asim. If it is so, it will simple. There is nothing I am checking for, so I will add if here. If this is, and now this is a. So you need to know one thing, that if is followed by a pair of parentheses in which our condition occurs, and condition does not end with a semicolon. And for checking something, we will use double equals to sign, and this is used for comparison. So what happens if textbox1.text is equal to Asim, a particular actionable form, message box show hello Asim. Now what will happen if the text in the text box is Asim, then a message box will look dead, and it will also look, if the text box is not Asim, what message will display. So let's execute it. So here I am typing exact Asim and clicking, message box display. It's simple. But if I am typing another any other thing, nothing happening. So all the text is not same as the condition, the condition the if statement. So let me tell you one more thing, that if I want to display a message box whenever there is not a certain text, means that I want to know that I want to display a message box every time on every string except a single string, that is awesome. I will just change the sign. It means that whenever the text box is not equal to awesome, the message box will be displayed. So what should be doing that whenever the text is other than awesome, message box will be displayed. If the text box is awesome, nothing will happen. So I am typing in awesome, nothing happening. If I am typing any other string, the message box is displayed. Any other string, random string, message box is displayed. Any other string, message box is displayed. Simple. So I can join these two things, that if I am going to awesome, another if statement, if or a random if next is equals to C# message box dot show no C#. Sorry. Now what this part will do, that first this if statement will be executed, that it will check that whether text is awesome. If it's awesome, then it will display hello awesome. If it's not, then it will skip this part and move on to next if statement. It will check that text box is C#, and it will display hello C#. Let's check. Awesome. Click. It's displaying hello awesome, C#, hello C#, and any other text is nothing there. So here comes the tricky part. So I want to display only these two strings. So what I want that any other string else, it will message box show match found. So now what this part will do? First it will check that whether it's awesome. If it's not, it will move to the next part. And we check that if it's C#, message box displayed, and if it's not, then it move to else part. Else part will display in case of any other string other than these two strings. So now let's check. Awesome. Click. C#. Now I am typing TRT and match not found. If I am typing raw, match not found, because it was not the part of the. To make this code a little bit nicer, I will just add another element else if. What it will do, that first it will check this statement. If it's true, if the statement is true that awesome string is in text box 1, then this message box will be displayed. If it's not, then it will check this condition, and if this condition is also false, then this condition will be executed. So this was about some basics of if-else statement that you should know about. So hope you all have liked this video, and we will be working on more if-else statements and in deep nested if-else statements and operators, comparison operators. There is a lot to do with the if statements and else statements. They are basics of the programming, and they are very much helpful in programming. So keep watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. I hope that you would have liked it. So have a nice day. Bye.